Welcome to the Triangle Nursery Flower Channel. Now this month we're sharing information videos about Christmas and our products to keep our customers as informed as possible and help plan for upcoming workshops, events and floral designs. Now, if you haven't joined us before, my name is Debbie from Triangle Nursery, and Triangle Nursery is an online wholesaler offering an extensive range of fresh seasonal flowers and foliage, accessories and florist supplies at wholesale prices for everyone. We offer delivery in the UK all year round with no minimum order. In this video, I'll be sharing one of our frequently asked questions. What types of foliage are included in a modern greenery box, and what are the difference in the sizes of the boxes? Also, how many wreaths will they cover? So starting with the types of foliage for a modern greenery box, we have a combination of Eucalyptus, Acacia, Grevillea, soft Ruscus and Pittosporum and olive. Now the types of greenery offer a wide range of colour, form and shape to wreath making, gift bouquets and other seasonal floral designs. In recent years they've really become popular during the festive season amongst our customer base. Now you can find all the relevant links in the description below. Now before I start on quantities, as a disclaimer, this is only a guide for wreath making. It's also based on using the addition of blue spruce as your foundation base for the wreath. Now the boxes are available in small, medium and large. Now for the large box you'll receive all of this, which includes two types of eucalyptus, some acacia, olive, grevillea, soft ruscus and pittosporum. Now we would anticipate that this should approximately cover 7 10 to 12 inch wreaths with the addition of the blue spruce. Now for a medium box you'll receive all of this, which is actually 5 bunches. Again, 2 types of eucalyptus, acacia, olive and grevillea. Now I'd anticipate that this would cover approximately 5 10 to 12 inch wreaths, again with the addition of the spruce. So for the small bunch, you'll receive 3 bunches of foliage, as here, which is 1 type of eucalyptus, some acacia and some olive. Now we'd anticipate this would cover approximately 3 10 to 12 inch wreaths, and at the risk of repeating myself, this is with the addition of the spruce. Now these boxes are fantastic for wreath workshops, gift bouquets, table arrangements and other seasonal designs. They represent great value for money and offer you a range of texture and colour variation for your designs. Now you can find follow-up videos on our channel of how you can use these boxes in 3 different arrangements, including a simple bouquet, a table arrangement and a wreath. Thank you so much for joining us for this information video on the contents of the Modern Greenery boxes. Now, if you've got any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update from the Triangle Nursery Flower Channel. See you again soon. Bye for now.